You've probably heard the phrase, cloud computing. To most people, this is a new idea, but in reality, it has been around for decades. Recent advances in technology have made cloud computing more accessible and robust than ever before. Cloud computing. Cloud computing delivers tools, applications, and other services through the internet. The biggest providers are Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Many organizations outsource their network to the cloud. This choice has both positives and negatives. The positives. Cloud computing is cost-effective, scalable, reliable, and accessible. For example, G Suite is a commonly used everyday cloud computing that a person can create in 5 hours or less. They can save files, edit documents, and design presentations without saving copies on their computer. This saves people a lot of time and headaches. The negatives. However, cloud computing isn't perfect. There are a lot of security risks attached to it. For example, if your G Suite password got hacked, all your files and documents would be compromised. And this would be a great struggle to recover from. Cloud computing relies on a solid internet speed and reliability. If you're operating in a location where there is poor internet, it would be tough for you to access your files and folders. This is why larger organizations prefer to have private clouds instead of public ones. Public clouds are clouds like G Suite. Private cloud computing. Private clouds operate like typical cloud computing but are saved on private hardware within a local network that most people can't access. Meaning, you don't have to worry about a foreign hacker trying to guess your password to steal your information. They also rely on private networks with more secure hardware and cables. So private clouds don't have to deal with the volatile nature of the public internet. Recently, some organizations have decided on a hybrid cloud system. This means that some of their files, software, platforms, and infrastructure will be sent to the cloud, and the rest will be saved on local networks. Lesson summary. Cloud computing is more accessible and robust than ever before. It also is cost-effective, scalable, reliable, and accessible. Public cloud computing is more vulnerable to hackers. Cloud computing relies on a solid internet speed. This can be frustrating if you're in a location with poor internet reliability. Private clouds operate like typical cloud computing but are saved on private hardware within a local network. Hybrid cloud systems are growing in popularity. Half of the network is saved on the cloud, while the rest is saved on local hardware.